Hey, this is Brad with Nomad Cycles, and for show and tell today we have a road gravel bike that we've converted. I'm going to show it to you. Customer bought the frame Poseidon off the internet here. I like the black on black. We did a through axle conversion with the new fork, new wheel set, 650B, so they can fit decent sized tires, 47. When you're riding with electric, it's definitely important to have larger than regular road bike tires. So it's cool to have a road bike touring gravel geometry, but have large enough tires to actually be smooth with the power. And helping with the smoothness, we installed suspension seat post and stem. You don't see this on very many bikes. Some bike purists would scoff, but between more air in the tires and the cushion on the seat and the handlebars, when you're riding and all the ups and downs of the pavement, which I call road noise, can really beat you up a lot, but between these measures, it's gonna be a lot smoother. We've got a 21 amp hour battery with 40 amp continuous BMS, which is a lot to work with, so we're getting all of the juice out of the potential out of the BBS HD here. You can also see the leaky chainring and the leaky buzz bar crankset. All together goes in to make this nice package. We also installed some surly handlebars that come up, so it's a little bit of a twist to have a riser with a drop bar. But this gives more comfortable position and lots of hand spaces to put your hands. Show you that we put the throttle on the right side of the brake hood, so you can reach it while you're on the hoods and in the drops. We did that with the Grid Technologies little thumb bobber here. You could also make it by cutting up a mountain bike handlebar. Display is mounted right over the stem in the center. You can turn that on. Throw it together. Nice stealth package. And this is an example of what we can do with a custom conversion build instead of an off-the-shelf regular electric bike. This thing's a flyer. I had it very fast here on the flats just a minute ago, like 35 miles an hour. And with this wide range cassette, you got plenty of climbing gears too. And that's it for show and tell. If you got a similar project, maybe you'll catch a couple of clues off of what we did here, and good luck with it. And if you want help with something, just give me a ring. Thanks. Bye.